When you're busy trying to understand those trading charts, you're breaking nights, spending whole day long trying to simply read those charts so as to make a profitable trade. There is actually a bot which is doing that in milliseconds. It's buying low and selling high. Now that bot is called an arbitrage trading bot. In this video, I'm going to explain what arbitrage trading is, what an arbitrage trading bot is. Then I'm going to take a deep dive to give you the analogies so as to help you what really happens when you involve yourself in arbitrage trading. Then I'll also look at some of the risks and the advantages of arbitrage trading. In conclusion, I'll actually point out the people who qualify to do arbitrage trading. So I urge you to watch this video from the beginning to the end, because this is actually a video that you need to watch. Let's take a ride. Welcome back, and thank you so much for sticking around. To help you understand arbitrage trading, let me give you an analogy. Let's say within the place where you stay, there are two stores. There is store A and there's store B. At store A, they're actually selling gallons of milk, and each gallon of milk is going at 3,000. And then at store B, they're selling the same exact gallons of milk at 3,500. So you take note of the price differences, and the scenario is that these stores are actually across roads. This one is on the other side of the road, and the other one is on the other side of the road. So you, as a person who has noticed the price differences, what you do is you buy the gallons of milk at store A, where they're selling them at 3,000, right? And then you walk across the road so as to sell them off at 3,200. When you do that, you're going to actually have the profit of 200 on each gallon of milk that you're going to sell off. Now, what I've explained to you is exactly what arbitrage trading is. You actually take note of the price differences in commodities, and then you buy those commodities that are being sold off at a cheaper price, then you sell them off at a higher price, so as to walk away with some profits. Now, apply the same concept in the crypto space. Now, when you're dealing with cryptocurrency, you're looking at digital money, right? So instead of looking at stores, this time around, since we are dealing with cryptocurrencies, we will be looking at exchanges. Now, crypto exchanges are actually platforms where cryptocurrencies are sold, and those are actually platforms where cryptocurrencies are exchanged. You can actually trade one cryptocurrency for the other. So if, let's say, there is Binance and then there's also OKX, those are two different crypto exchanges. So we will actually look at the price of Bitcoin. If Bitcoin is being sold on Binance at 64,000, and then on OKX is being sold at 68,000. You take note of the price differences. What you're going to do is you will buy Bitcoin on Binance, which is actually being sold at $64,000, right? And then after you do that, you will sell it off on OKX, and that will give you a profit of 4,000 US dollars, right, on each Bitcoin that you're going to sell. That's arbitrage trading. Now, here's the thing. Arbitrage trading comes with its own disadvantages, and the disadvantages include the following. If you buy crypto on Binance and then you want to sell it off on OKX, you will need to withdraw that cryptocurrency that you have bought on Binance. And you don't just withdraw free of charge. There are withdrawal charges, right? There are withdrawal charges. So If let's say for you to withdraw that 64,000 on Binance, you might be charged maybe 3,000 something US dollars. And then you deposit on OKX, and by so doing, you find that you're going to lose some of the cryptocurrencies, right? By the time you be selling it off, you might even run at a loss. Those are some of the disadvantages of arbitrage trading. However, before you lose hope, we can actually deploy what we call an arbitrage trading bot. Now, these bots are actually inbuilt on some of the trading platforms like Pionex, Kraken, and then we can also talk of Cryptohopper. But on Cryptohopper, it's actually a crowd bot. It's a crowd bot. Just in case you don't know what an arbitrage trading bot is. An arbitrage trading bot is a software program which automatically does 4 things. Number 1, it scans different exchange platforms for price differences. Then number 2, it buys low. Then number 3, it sells high. Then number 4, it repeats these processes over and over and over as long as it's running. What then is the beauty of using bots? The beauty is that bots are able to do trades within milliseconds. They're able to scan different platforms and they're able to buy low, sell high within milliseconds, and they're able to repeat that over and over and over and over again. The additional benefits include the following. When you're using a bot, you're not betting on a price direction. You're exploiting a price gap. Number 2, the bot runs 24/7 without you watching. You can sit back, relax, or you can go to sleep. It will continue running. Then number 3, it makes profits repeatedly. Then number 4, you don't care whether crypto goes up or goes down. You just profit from the gap. And this brings us to the last section of our video, where we have to cover who is arbitrage trading for and who is it not for. So let's start with those who should actually do arbitrage trading. These are people with capital to deploy. Then number 2, these are people who don't want to actually be on the charts whole day long or whole night long, just trying to predict the direction of the prices so that they can place a profitable trade, right? They want the bot to be doing that for them. Then number 3, investors who want low risk and steady returns. Now, who is it not for? Number 1, people are looking for huge, quick profits. Then number 2, people with small amounts of capital. Then number 3, active day traders who want to speculate. Now, let's summarize what we have learned so far. Arbitrage trading is actually the buying of cryptocurrency at a low price and then selling it off at a higher price so as to make some profits. Then number 2, the best way you can actually benefit from arbitrage trading is by employing a bot. You activate a bot on Kraken or Pionex. I'll actually leave the links in the description section so that you can simply create an account, right? And then number 3, arbitrage trading comes with low risks, especially if you're using a trading bot. Why? Because you're not gambling on a price direction. Well, if you have learned 1 or 2 things from this video, leave a comment in the comment section. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.